Linda, would you please explain to me about the punching and rivet machine?
Okay, let's go to the solo. Helen, this is the final product after the rivet with the handle.
I see. So our manager Ben had been for this type of machine inspection last week. Let us watch the video to review it. This hole punching machine. The hole's distance and angle are adjustable by changing the mold. 4 holes can be worked by one action. Normally, one day can work out about 10,000 products. Let's come to the next machine. It calls Rivet machine, auto feeding system. Machine is good at riveting handle of cookware and kettle. Stable, fast, and save time. Rivet cap is inside the product. Normally, one machine is matching with one size rivet. One day, 8 hours can work out 8,000 pieces. Punching and rivet machine are like twin brothers. Today I have understand well the punch and the rivet machine well. Thanks Linda, and I'm looking forward to next learning. I will upload the working process video into the MOSTRO media channel. Okay. Welcome to visit our website. And the YouTube channel, MOSTRO Machine.